Hey, what's up guys? Chris here with CryoFX, and we're going to explain to you how does a cold spark machine work. So let's just cut straight to the chase. We have a cold spark machine here, iSparkFX brand spark machine. We have the sides taken off so you can see it. And you ask again, how does a cold spark machine work? Well, boom. Let's go ahead and flip this baby around and we're going to show you exactly how it works. So we're going to start out by explaining that you have the reservoir. That's where your granules go. The granules sit in this reservoir and then they kind of funnel down the reservoir to a corkscrew at the bottom. That corkscrew is driven by this motor, and when the corkscrew funnels those granules forward, they're going to fall into this little metal funnel right here. This funnel funnels them down into another chamber, a horizontal chamber right here, and that horizontal chamber has a bigger corkscrew in it, and that bigger corkscrew funnels those through the heating element. This whole thing is a heating element, and this whole section right here gets very, very, very hot. That is driven by a motor that's down below here. This motor spins, it spins the chain, and then this wheel turns here, and that's what turns that big corkscrew. The reason why this motor sits below is because it gets very hot and it would damage the motor, the heat coming off of this larger drive shaft and whole part of the apparatus. So once this corkscrew funnels these forward through the heating element, 500 degrees or so Celsius, then what happens is those granules fall into this vertical chamber where there is a blower. Flip this around, here's the blower that blows air up and comes out the chamber, up to the top, up to where you see these sparks. The sparks fall into that chamber and then they get blown up. When you go ahead and activate your DMX control, the height adjustment is actually just this blower blowing out a different amount of air, and it's the velocity of the blower that's blowing the air up is what changes, and that's what changes the height of your sparks. So the drive shaft and the corkscrew is actually going to continue to screw these forward and then the blower is what changes, and that's what gives you your height. So these are very complex machines. This is the temperature element that's inside, and this lets you know when it's ready. We have this taken out for the purpose of this video, and we have the sides taken off. You're not going to see a machine like this again. If you do see these machines and you've opened your machine up like this, you probably voided the warranty at that point. So that's why we're explaining in this video now. But these are very complex machines. They do very good and they look great. Here's the control panel of it. We have another video that explains what the control panel does and a little bit more how a cold spark machine works. But that's it. There you have it. So we explained it here. Check out more of our videos and check out more of our machines. We have a couple websites online, coldsparkmachine.com, coldsparkfountain.com, coldfireworkmachine.com. There's a bunch more, and the main one is CryoFX.com. We hope to see you there. This is an iSparkFX machine, but they all work the same way. We're the main distributor for Sparkular as well. So check us out online, CryoFX.com. I'm Chris. Take care. Have fun with your spark machines.